What?
Hello, my name is
Melodian Convair.
I'm Vaughan.
Please come in, we're expecting you.
Okay.
Birthday, hey? Cheers, mate.
Awesome, mate.
Cheers, mate.
It's got time taking and stuff. It goes really fast, mate.
That's how this works, mate.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Hey, man.
What's that thing out the front outside the door? It's kind of freaky.
Oh, that's just Mel.
Yeah, Millsy. Like a Millsy. Give him a chance, mate. He's my robotic butler, mate. You.
Okay, cool.
Are you guys ready to party down?
Yeah, come on, let's do it.
True blue, mate.
Let's go, 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 let's go.
You do it, mate. Get another one in here.
Hey guy,
Hey.
do you have a problem with me? Born hunt, serial code 5372168, date of birth 4th of July 1987.
Look, I just don't trust machines, okay?
Don't lose your cool, man.
Casey, start up. Come on.
Right here, man, that's the thing. Yeah, that's it right there. There's that baby right up.
Fucking sick, eh? You want an extra? Oh, yeah, no, I haven't, man. What, mate? What, This cat's right.
He's a good fella. I really like him.
Sick one there.
Oh dear. I'll go take care of him.
That must have hurt like a bitch.
Yeah, it did. I heard when they lay those, it's.
They don't lay them hard boiled, mate. Oh, you gotta go back to school. Cheers, anyway.
Oh yeah, good. Yeah.
Oh, hey, Mel. Done.
Where's your towel?
You would have thrown it in the wash, guys. Vomit and stuff all over it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, the wash.
Computers don't make mistakes.
Hey, where's Mark?
No. He's gone to get some air.
Guys, I am fucking pooped. I'm gonna hit the sack. Mate, fuck off. Just get fuck, I'm so
Why
tired.
don't you get your fucking friend Mel to help you out?
Guys.
Get Mel, you dickhead!
Whoa! Mal! Didn't see you there.
Take a chill pill.
Mal, it's a bit cold in here. Can you change the temperature? What are you doing, man? Look! It's frozen shut! No!
Mel! I heard screams. What was that?
Chris has nightmares.
No, he doesn't. I've known Chris all my life. Fuck this guy's. Told you it was bad news. Awesome.
Nobody gives me an icy reception.
Fuck! Shit, yeah, wake up. Fuck.
JR. Where are you, JR?
End of the line for you, pal!
What the?